In this video, we'll show you how to recover your deleted text messages on any Android phone. So first, if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, you can open the Samsung Messages app. Now here you should see this kind of interface. Now here tap this three dot icon here and then go to trash. Now here you should see your deleted message hopefully. If you do, simply long press on it and then tap on this restore option to recover it. Now let's say you are using Google Messages app as your default messaging app. In that case, you will need to tap on this profile icon and then go to this archived folder right here. Now here find the deleted messages or chat. Now simply long press on it and then tap on this unarchive option. As you may already know, Google Messages doesn't allow you to recover messages that you have deleted and not archived. So as you can see, if I tap on this trash icon, as it says, this is permanent and can't be undone. However, there is a workaround that you can try. So first open the settings app. Now scroll down and then go to accounts and backup. Now here you should see this restore data option. If you are using a different phone than the Samsung Galaxy, you can simply search for this restore option and find a similar option like this. Now in here you will need to select your device. Now here uncheck everything and then tap on this messages option only and then finally tap on this restore option. So what this will do is try to restore all your messages that are backed up and hopefully your deleted message will also reappear. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.